That's better. That's really better.
What's better?
My eyes are really sleepy.
Yeah. Good morning.
Good morning. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. What's that one say? You're really tired this morning, huh? What is it?
A Toy Story here.
For what?
From you.
Ooh, that looks like a biggie.
From you.
And me and Dad? Turn around this way so I can see his face. What is it? Crossfire.
I can.
Your stuff all got pushed back there, huh? Where's this one from?
Ooh, an ornament.
Let's see.
We need to get this thing off.
Oh, what is it? A Looney Tune? Who is it?
It's Sylvester and Tweety.
Oh, that's cute. Is that from Candy and Jessica too?
Yes. Ew. Another Winnie the Pooh book.
Oh, cool. You like Winnie the Pooh. Who's this one from?
Oh, yeah. One of the related to her.
Okay. Hard to get it, huh?
Andy Landis had to wrap a present. You've been wanting those these for a while. It's under a tree. Hey,
Maybe you better help him down.
here, let me get it for you. Here, pull your box up, honey.
Cool. Light 3. You thought it was closed, huh, bud? That was a surprise, huh?
That's it there, man.
What's that?
Is it four?
You gotta turn it off first, mate.
I don't even know where the
Turn it
on.
off.
Whoa!
Can you reach it?
No.
Hey. Whoa. Is that what you wanted?
Yeah.
Hey, how'd Santa get that thing in here?
I don't know even how to set it up.
Well, maybe you're right, huh? Good thinking, bud. What's that called again? Triple Arcade?
Yeah, put it up here too, so when you push these, they both go up.
Yeah, with the knife.
pretty neat, bud?
Okay, now how do I turn this thing off?
What do you want to do?
Change
He's checking it out, Dad. Oh, what's that under there?
Okay, now we're on the ball.
I think I see him down the front here. I see him through the camcorder.
Wait a minute. Before we do it, Buster. Change the game over. Let's see. What would this be called? S probably, yeah.
No. It says P, pinball, B1, basketball, time suit, ski balls.
Ah, neat. Look, 10 points. $40 points. Ooh, I missed. Good one. 90 points. Ooh, you're good at that, bud. 140 points.
There's a roll of bud. Why? If you get 9, I think you roll 9, just like in the arcade. How many points did you get?
It started over for me.
Yeah, ball one.
Okay, we'll come back in a minute.
Sure.
What is it, bud?
Then again,
Flanagan.
From who?
Santa.
Neat.
Eric. Eric.
Okay.
One from the battery in there.
It does, see?
What is it?
Birthday thing.
Is that what you were asking for?
Yeah,
Huh, Santa knew, huh?
I think.
We're lucky he knew what you meant, huh?
Come on, you stupid car, tell me where.
That's it, bud.
Let Daddy take a look at it.
Not working.
No, but maybe it needs a battery in the car. Is there a battery in there? How can you tell? Oh, light comes on in there. Where's this here battery?
Mommy!
Oh.
What is it?
There's no battery in here, bud.
That sketchbook.
That's your sketchbook.
I'm sure Santa didn't leave us without a battery. It's probably around here somewhere. Look for one of the plugs. It's probably charging up somewhere. No.
Dad, you left the game on.
Is it back? The other plug in the room is behind. Well, it must be for Rachel, huh? Why don't you look behind that?
That playhouse.
Look behind that playhouse plug for your
I'm
battery.
looking at this.
Yeah.
I can't open it. It's sealed shut. That's the game.
Whose pile is that?
I don't know, it's right over here. This is mine.
Which one did you get?
There.
Well, I can't see it. Whoa! Sonic in the game room.
Try it.
You have to try it.
Move Rachel's toy.
Oh, geez. That Rachel. You're just going from one thing to another, aren't you, bud? You're really coughing today. I'll give you your medicine, huh? Okay, he's going to try this. We'll be back. He's telling me something else. What'd you say, bud?
This is for both of us.
Oh, that's for both of you? Who's it from then?
It's from Santa.
Oh, Santa.
Yeah.
To Eric and Rachel. That's cool to go with your store stuff, huh?
Going in.
Thank you tonight.
Rachel, you ready to wake up? Go get her, Kay.
Is the game on?
She's really bored. Okay, Kayla, thank you. There you go.
Ooh, what is this one? Oh, hey. Okay.
Wait, just wait to see what happens.
Nothing's happening.
Music gets finished. Here it comes.
We've been playing Sonic in Game World.
Rachie.
Rachel. Give me what I wanted.
Who'd you want? Merry Christmas. What'd you get? What's that? A Barbie tent. Oh, cool.
I'd like to keep on. I don't know.
And Mary got a basketball set.
You got that?
Yeah.
Wow.
But
You don't
the
want
only
to
thing
talk
we
about.
can't
You're losing.
Did Kayla wake you up?
Yeah. He's a wolf. Whoa, my
Woof, woof, huh? Wake up.
now morning.
What's that over there?
Baby, go bye-bye.
Baby, go bye-bye.
Who are you, Sonic, or you Dr. Robotnik?
I'm sorry. Baby. Dr. got me really what I wanted.
Oh, good deal.
Rachel, I got a Pico game. Another Pico game. And you got another Pico game. And it's over there. Get up. Stop. Stop. The baby doesn't want to get up. Stop. Stop.
You need some help, honey?
I don't want to play this game.
Eric said that one says to you and Eric. A shopping cart, huh?
Alright.
Look down here, Rach, by the table.
Watch your feet. You're stuck on the floor.
There's another one for you and Eric. Down on the floor.
Whoa.
What is it?
I don't even need it.
You know what that game's called?
Yeah?
What is it called?
I'm running out of wall.
Ants going off the wall?
I
Frantic ants? I think you have a pile over here, honey.
I won because I kept. Ah!
I think this is your pile.
What I wanted.
Who is it?
What is it?
Bill.
The Bears game.
What is it? A new. Yeah. Dad. I got one.
What is it, Rach?
Daddy. Dad, look what I gotta try to do to these.
What is
Oh,
that?
you got a nice shoe back.
In the box there.
About the station.
Who probably plays that? It's okay with Merry Christmas.
A lot of games in there. You have to read the books. Yeah,
I'm
games.
gonna look at Kayla.
You're going to look at Kayla's?
Look at the heel.
What will Kayla get? Treats?
Ali!
Oh boy, did Santa buy her a new leash?
Great, Santa. Well, honey.
Careful, whoa, whoa. Everything's falling down.
Dad, look at the arcade.
Well,
I think I see some stuff on the floor. Maybe that's for Kayla. Look at Kayla looking at you. Did you see some more stuff on the floor for Kayla? Watch, you're not going to miss Santa Claus over.
I have to go get wet.
Well, she has to go to the bathroom.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, well, hold on a couple minutes.
A purse? That's a diaper bag. What, for your dolly? Neat.
Mom, this game is fun.
Mom, I think Rachel needs some help getting that dolly out.
Oh, what's the matter with baby goodbye-bye? You can't get her out. Let's see. She's pretty, huh? Is this what you wanted? I thought you asked Santa for this one.
Ooh, I got one. I always wanted that.
You always wanted this. Good deal. There she is. Aww.
And a comb.
And a comb.
And that.
A direction. Look, this makes her little cradle. And then you can put her on your back and carry her.
And what's the dummy for?
See all the way it goes.
Dude, they're kissing that one.
Purse. Look at that.
Rachel, look, this is Sonic in the game world.
She's pretty, huh?
No, this photo.
She has nice brown hair like you.
No, this photo.
Look, a little dress.
Another that.
Wow.
Rachel.
Oh, look nice in that.
A pajama.
A pajamas.
Another that.
Another dress. What do I hear?
It's this. All I do is press the button.
Good deal, Buzz.
I need that
You
one.
need the baby back? Oh, look at this. Rachel. Diaper. Little diaper. What did Daddy say you got here? What's this, Rach? Did you look in here?
Who wants to play with me?
How many players? One or two?
I pressed 2.
Okay. I don't even know what to do. You gonna be Sonic? What's the girl's name?
How do I?
Is this okay?
No. How do we press 2?
Player one. Go back to the beginning. Shut it off.
No. You only pick one player for each person, I guess.
Okay.
Baby!
What's in there? What kind of baby stuff?
Yeah.
I want to be the girl. I don't know her name. Go speak to the girl.
Okay, now I'm ready. In this case.
Robotnik ball. Oh, look at this, like at the arcade. Get him. I think you have to use this, honey. I think you have to use this.
Okay, we'll sign off
Yeah,
for a
but how
couple
do
minutes
we
here.
move it? No, I'm getting a lot of it.
Phone.
Bud, no.
I want to
Get a stool,
You
honey.
like phones.
Get a stool.
How do Mommy and Daddy know you like phones? Want to get your other one out? I think this one says to you. To Rachel from Mom and Dad.
Yay!
This is an exciting
Hey,
Christmas.
Mom, I was asking about buying this one at the store.
Well, then how did Santa Claus know? He is so magic. I told you he was watching you.
You're gonna watch Rachel open hers.
I want to play stick.
Hey, look, Rachel's opening one.
Let's watch Rachel, then I'll help you set it up, okay?
is on the Game Boy here. Rosie doll.
Rosie doll, do you like her? Rachel, do you like her?
Mommy, I would open this one.
Which one? Okay. You want to open everything. Holy cow, these.
It's fun.
Okay, what else? Rachel, those are Mommy's, I think. I think that says to me. Let's see what else is yours. Here's your pile.
Just open it.
Get over here so Daddy can see you.
Just open a big package.
Open a big one?
Yeah.
Okay, got it. I think that one's from Uncle Bernie, Annie, Lane, and Tyler. You got the candy?
I'm gonna open this one. But this one. Stop. Why did they do this?
This is hard to get open, huh? Annie Lane wrapped it so tight. Oh, okay. There you
Why
go.
do you wrap it so tight?
Right away.
Mom.
What is it?
Ow!
A house? Let's see. Dream Dollhouse Pet Shop. You can pretend like it's you and Kayla. Look.
Wait, look what else you got.
All right.
That's yours.
Okay, you still got two more over here, honey.
Here's yours. I only saw that.
Okay, be nice. Candy in there. That's a pretty bow, huh?
100.
Good job.
Dad, I guess 50 fish make 100 points.
You're right, bud.
Because it's got 250.
You know what, bud? You know what you're doing? Add math.
Ornament. Oh, Mickey's skin, yeah. All right. One more for you.
And then we have to go out and get more and more brothers.
Yeah. What is it?
My high score was 210.
210?
210.
210?
Yeah.
That's
Daddy,
210.
look at this one.
What is it?
Elmo's 12 Days of Christmas.
Great. What a great book.
This is my true love gave to me.
I don't know.
One red monster up in a tree. It's Elmo.
Is that all the gifts right now, Mom?
Whoa, Mom, get that.
Think so for now. We'll open some stuff up so they can look at it.
Okay.
All right.
Hey.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
It's still good.
Daddy's getting it.
Okay.
It's like a little jewelry box.
That's what I picked for you.
Who knows I like jewelry? A ring. Ooh, a pretty little. What is it? A wizard ring. Thank you, bud. Very nice. Oh, you're a good
Okay,
son.
where's that one?
Rachel, you got something for Mommy, too, there.
Hey, Dad.
Okay, we'll just one. I'll get after Mommy's done, okay?
Okay, wait. It's kind of crowded in here.
My turn.
Is this from you? This one from Rachel.
Mom, help you?
What's it gonna be? New papers for my refrigerator. Thank you. I needed those. I liked it. Well, thank you guys. That was nice of
And
you.
there's one over there from both of you.
One for Mommy and Daddy.
No, one for Mommy.
One
America.
for Mommy. Oh, here it is.
America and Rachel.
What's it gonna be?
Dad, the two ones on the bottom are the ones. Dad, I know something.
New gloves?
Dad, the two ones on the.
They're nice. Feel them. Feel soft they are. Oh,
Daddy,
what a good
Yes,
pick,
honey.
guys.
The two ones on the bottom.
Thank you.
I picked that.
Yeah, I know. Ooh, these are nice and warm. I needed these for my new coat.
Yes, hon.
The two numbers on the top
What's this
don't
one?
have a score. They go down on the bottom because they're a circle.
Can we open this, buddy?
Uh-huh.
I think this is from Eric to all of us. You want to open it, Ray? Oh, it's pretty. Look at
What
all.
a beautiful card.
Let's see what it says. The gift. The most precious gift I am told
I
is all the love
190.
the heart can hold. I give it to you, you give it to me. You make me so happy, son. There's enough for the world and the gift is free. Will you take my love, more precious than gold? It's the finest gift that the heart can hold.
And
Very nice,
Now
honey.
look at the present.
Oh, that's so pretty, honey. Hey, did you wrap it all up too?
Oh my.
Beautiful wreath ornament for the tree. Did you make that? Good work. Isn't that pretty,
That
Ray?
is excellent work, buddy boy.
Do you want to hang it up for us?
Where's that toy?
Isn't that nice, Dad?
That's beautiful card.
That's fine.
Beautiful card.
Where's that Toy Story game?
Okay, I'm signing off for a little bit.
Here they are. They just got the basketball range because that's what Rachel wanted to play. Okay, bud. How's it working? Get it. Shoot a hoop. Yes. Oh, the ball got stuck. Okay, let's give Rachel a turn. We only have a couple minutes left.
Mom, I want to try this. I want to open my present.
No, she's not going to look. She wants to open her Polly Pocket. Okay, we're going to do Kayla and Daddy here. Okay, we'll be back.
You can help me open it?
Rachel just found one for Daddy. From who again?
Who's this from, Rach? Santa Claus, you think? What is this? A candy cane.
Long candy cane, it looks like.
I don't want to play this.
Look at this.
Mom, will you help me get this? Mom, will you put this back?
In a second, honey. Let's see what Daddy got from Santa.
Oh, I think I know what this is. He saw me looking at this in the store the other night. Look at this. These are neat.
What is it?
Kaleidoscope.
Oh, neat.
I'll give you two different ones, Santa, if you think, Santa.
I guess.
Neat. And you put it in here like this.
Why? What did it have at the store?
I don't know. I just wanted to store.
Well, Santa does different than the store.
Yes, he does. You can put these on each one, I guess. Nice. Okay, sweetie.
Hey, cool. You gotta try to keep on shooting and knock the ball still.
This is neat. I like this.
Take a look in there.
Look in there. Look up to the light. Just hold it up straight like this. There you go.
Was it neat, bud?
Oh, yeah.
It's cool, huh? Okay, we're down to 1 minute.
Okay, and this one from, where's this one from? To Daddy from Eric? What is this I wonder? Hey, Bud, is this the one you picked for me from school?
Yeah.
You don't hurry, we're not going to get it on here.
You're the best, you're the best, you're the best. Terrific Dad.
All right.
Bud, come here. I need to give you a giant hug. Thanks, sweetheart. Mm-hmm.
Oh, you're welcome.
That's a great gift.
Okay, where's Kayla's stuff? Eric?
Oh, I got 30 seconds.
Eric, Mommy put something behind the tree over there for Kayla.
Oh,
Oh, yeah, Bud.
I'm getting...
What is it?
What's a present for Kayla?
For Kayla, hurry up, we only got 30 seconds. Call her over.
Kayla!
Kayla, here's from us.
There we go. Here. Over here, Ben.
Come on, lay on it.
Come on, lay down.
Show her the layout. Kayla.
Come here, girl.
That one is
Get out of the way, sweetie. Let Rachel, let Kayla try to lay down.
Come on, Kayla. Lay on it. Come on.
Bed that.
Come on.
That's it.
Yikes! My time.
There she
Oh,
is.
that feels good.
Give her a treat, Daddy. Give her a treat. I think there's treats over there.
Yeah. No. I tried to... Yikes!
There she goes.
Good girl.
All right. Merry Christmas, everybody.
Merry Christmas.
There's more presents for you.
Oh.
There's more presents? Okay.